is the hottest sector and Snapdeal is one of the biggest players. Today we have with us the CPO of Snapdeal, Anand Chandrasekharan. Thank you, Anand, for joining us today. To begin with, tell us how have the beginning months been with Snapdeal?
Yeah, it's actually been a lot of fun. I'm just coming on 2 months now. You know, when I joined, when I was sort of outside the company, I sort of thought of it as probably one of the most entrepreneurial companies in the country. And now having been inside the company, I sort of feel even more strongly about that. And so it's just this very unique, incredible culture within the company. And what we're doing is just starting a journey of sort of the next phase of the company that's built on great technology, great products, great team.
What is Snapdeal's next vision really in
Yeah.
terms of technology?
So I think one big area is, you know, we want to continue to enable our sellers. And, you know, you probably saw a launch of an app called Shoppo that we did to enable small and medium business sellers. So anybody can take a photo and, you know, if they're good enough, they're smart enough to use WhatsApp, they're good enough to sell on Shoppo. So we have a team actually in Bangalore called the Multimedia Research Center, which was formed because of the acquisition of a small startup called Fasciate that we bought a few months ago. And these are, you know, a bunch of PhDs in computer science who spend their entire life sort of thinking about computer vision and how it can be used to solve problems. And so what we've done is we've taken a visual discovery problem and applied their algorithms to it, and we've launched that called Find My Style. And it's quite an addictive experience.
In terms of mobile space, how are you sort of leveraging or doing things on the mobile space for consumer experience?
Yeah, so you know, I think what we are seeing in India on mobile is quite unprecedented. But I think still, if you look at the number of phones versus the number of people, there's just a huge way to go. And so my sense is a lot of these categories that people are consuming offline will come online. And so from that perspective, you know, to your earlier question, we sort of feel like we should be in a lot of these categories. So we're in physical goods with Snapdeal, we're in digital goods with Freecharge, we're in luxury goods with Exclusively, we're in financial services, we're now in Shoppo.
Right. Of course, you spoke about Shoppo. Tell us a little bit about Freecharge and how are the synergies working there?
They've launched some really cool stuff. So just about 3 days ago, they launched a mobile web recharge experience where you can literally, if you've done any recharges on Freecharge before, you can be in and out in 12 seconds, right? So like think about, you know, your experience around recharges and bill payments. You know, nobody wakes up in the morning and says, the most exciting thing I want to do today is to recharge my prepaid account, right? It's a utility and people want to just get in and get out and do it quickly. And so Freecharge is enabling that to happen. And the engagement is actually quite amazing. And I think later this year you'll see a lot of big stuff come out of Freecharge.
All right. Thank you so much, Anand, for talking to us today.
Thank you so much.
But if I talk about top 3 challenges which you are facing today, what are those challenges and you know, what are the interesting developments which are happening?
So I think I would characterize these as areas of investment which we want to really get into. The amount of data which we receive about, you know, whether it is the products which are on sale or the purchases which the users do, we want to use that to give way better experience to each user.
Welcome, Girish. We're very happy to have you here with us. If you had to pick one reason, what would it be for the success of Freshdesk?
I'll tell you something that I fundamentally believe in. The most important thing in a restaurant is the food, right? There is no restaurant in the world that's gone out of business where they serve delicious food to the customers. So, and there lies the answer. So the number one reason why Freshdesk is successful is the product. So we have the best product in the industry